Welcome everyone to this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create whiteboard animation and how to make money from whiteboard animation. Let me just show you few or maybe very few um, play or like few sample of whiteboard animation before I really explain to you. For those of you that don't know what whiteboard animation is, let me just which one should I let me just play this. So that's just the sample of whiteboard animation for those of you that have, maybe you don't know what whiteboard animation is. So let me explain what you can do with whiteboard animation. Whiteboard animation is an engaging video to promote and grow your Fiverr gig and other services online. Like anything you want to promote online, whiteboard animation is good for you. You can also start making money on YouTube by creating video content without even showing your face using this whiteboard animation. The most exciting thing is that you can even learn this, you can even start using this or creating this whiteboard animation even using your phone, but it depends on what's your preference. So it is a complete solution for promotion of your business, products or services, anything you render online, either online or physical. Since you want to market your products, it's always a tough thing to get orders on Fiverr and other platforms online, most especially if you are a new seller. But having a captivating gig video like this whiteboard animation to promote your services will help rank your gig and get you more impressions and orders. It has been proven time and time again that having an animation video increases your chance of getting sales by over 3 to 4 times, no matter what you are promoting online, because it gets attention faster. So let me just, that's just the basic of whiteboard animation. And before I'm going to show you some of my works, that these ones, I'm going to play you some of these ones that I've made for customers. And let me just show you how this thing has been attracting people online. So because when I was creating this whiteboard animation for a specific organization, and let me show you the comments of people that, by just doing this for those people, like I'm not even running or like I'm not even advertising the skill yet. I'm just doing it for the organization. So I partner with the organization. I'm the one doing the whiteboard animation, and I screenshot the um I screenshot the comments people, how people are requesting for it, how people are demanding for it, for me to work with them. So for you to know that it's very eye catchy and it gets attention faster, and many people want to start using it online. So because it gets attention faster, even beyond using just your face for your YouTube channel or maybe anything you want to promote online. Let me show you the first one. So this is the first one. I see and perceive that you can see that this is the posts. So the comment on this post, this whiteboard animation you are seeing at the top. I see and perceive rightly. That first comment, that comment is going to the, I'm reading the second comment now. So it's commenting on the video and it's like it's talking about the animation too. You can see a big love to the creative unit. This is lovely and it's made the message sync well. That is me faster, because what is trying to say is that using this whiteboard animation make the message that we are passing through the video, it makes it sync well to the audience. That's one of the benefits of using this whiteboard animation. So let me scribe again, because another one is, you can see someone else here, the second comment again, that this person is saying, please, I really want to know who does this animation, please. That means that person wanted to partner with me, want to work with me in that particular, when they upload this particular video. So I've been getting orders from this particular comment. All these people that are commenting, they message me and they patronize me because they really want to learn this thing. Some of them want to learn it, some of them want me to do it for them, and I'll charge them because it take time to create this thing, and you have to charge them. You can't do it for free because animation takes time, so you have to charge for it and you start making money from it. So another person says, how do I recreate this? I think, okay, still almost the same person. How do I recreate this? That means it's getting the person's attention and the person really wants to start creating this thing, maybe for his YouTube channel or maybe for his organization. And that one here is, I love this declaration illustration. You can see the person is talking about the illustration. The illustration make it amplify the message the owner of this organization is trying to pass through the video. You can see. So and that one here is, which is the last one I'm going to be showing you, is this particular third or fourth comment. I need this. How do I get it? So for you to know how much this thing is getting attention online, so this whiteboard animation is a very is one of the high income skill that you need to learn, in most especially in this present generation, and that many things are going online now. So I'm going to teach you in this video. I'm going to teach you how to create these things. So let me just play some or maybe one or two for you so that you can see what I'm going to. For those of you that want to, maybe you want to learn it, or you want to be doing it, want us to be doing it for you. So let me this is what we are going to learn in this video. I'm going to teach you how to create this whiteboard animation. Let me show you which one should I just play? Let me just play one of the short one. Yeah, let me just play this one. You can see I'm going to teach you how to create, how to add text, how to add these images, how to add audio, your voiceover, and how to change your Canva. That interface is what they call Canva. So you can see how it is drawing all those images and how it is writing the text. You can see different styles, transitions, all these things create time. You can see. So that's let me just, to not waste your time, let me just remain it on that alone. If you still want to see more, I will leave the link of some of my works in the description of this video so that you can watch some other animation, whiteboard animation online. That's the one that I've created, that is on YouTube, that you can just watch, or maybe on Instagram, so that for you to know what we offer. So if you want to learn this whiteboard animation, like I've prepared a video, I've prepared videos, not a video, that was a mistake. I've prepared videos that I created the tutorial segment by segment, that if you want to learn it, you can just click on the link in the description of this video and message me on WhatsApp to let me know that you want to learn this whiteboard animation, because I'm not going to say the price here because dollars changes, so the price might change. It depends on how fast. Now that the dollar is still stagnant, now you can just try to get it, and if the dollar increases, that means your price is going to increase. So it depends on how faster you want it and how much you want to commit to it. So another thing is, if for those of you that maybe you are thinking maybe you may not have time to learn this whiteboard animation, and maybe you want us to be doing it for your brand, you want to promote your brand, you want to promote any of your business or anything online, or maybe you want us to be doing it for you to start making money on YouTube, you can still message us and let us know that you want us to be doing it for you. We are going to negotiate on that. Just click on the link in the description of this video, or you can drop it in the comment section that you want to, this is what you want to do. Maybe you want our services or you want to learn it. No problem, we are available for you. So another thing is, don't forget that it's the very lucrative. I'm going to teach you. I've already recorded everything, I've prepared everything, I've revealed the platforms that you can start making money from this whiteboard animation, which one of them that I said in this video is YouTube. Many people, I don't just want to be showing you their channels so that it won't be like I'm advertising or maybe I'm partnering with them, so because they're not aware. So there are some of my students that they are making money already on YouTube by creating videos without even showing their faces, because whiteboard animation is what they use. Some people love um having YouTube channel without showing their faces, or maybe they want to have two channels and they have another one that is not showing their face and the other another one showing their face. So you can have two YouTube channel and start making money from them with this. And I'm still going to show you another platform to start getting clients that will be that that will be like platform that will be you'll be getting client that will be ordering for this your skill. Maybe you can that will be demanding for this skill, that they really need this. I'm going to show you so that you can start making money from your home. And if you want to start, there's a provision if you want to start creating it using just your phone or your laptop, anyone that suits you. It depends on your preference, what you prefer. So just click on the subscribe button of the YouTube channel so that you can learn many tech skills that you need to that will create you financial freedom, that will give you financial freedom, and many high income tech skills that you need to add value to yourself. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget, click in the link in the description to message us now so that we can give answer to your question. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.